In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier to upload content on Autopilot. We'll walk through creating a simple workflow that posts to Facebook pages automatically, so you can move from manual uploads to a reliable hands-off system. First, open Zapier and head to your home dashboard. From here, click Zaps. A Zap is just an automated workflow with two parts: a trigger that starts the process and an action that runs afterward. Keeping that in mind will make the next choices clearer. It helps to name your Zap clearly, like auto post to Facebook from your source, so you can find it later. Zapier saves as you go, but get in the habit of pausing to review each screen before moving on. Next, select the event that starts your Zap. This is your trigger. Pick the app and event that represent the moment you want posting to begin, like when a new item appears in a database or a new file lands in a folder. The key is to choose something that consistently signals it's time to post. After choosing, confirm Zapier can pull in a recent example so you can see real data during setup. Now choose the app that will handle the autopilot upload. For this tutorial, we'll use Facebook, so search for and select Facebook pages. This option posts to a page you manage, which is ideal for brand content. If you manage multiple pages, don't worry, you'll select the right one shortly. When Zapier asks you to choose an event for Facebook pages, pick Create Page Post. This tells Zapier the action is to publish a standard post to your page. It's flexible enough to handle text, links, and images, and it's a great starting point before exploring more specialized actions. Connect your Facebook account when prompted. You'll sign in securely and grant Zapier permission to manage the pages you choose. Be sure to allow the necessary access. Without it, Zapier can't create posts on your behalf. After connecting, verify that the correct page is selected. If you don't see your page listed, confirm you have admin access and that your browser didn't block the permission window. If you're testing, consider using a private or draft-only page first so you can confirm everything looks right before posting publicly. At this stage, you've outlined the entire flow. Zapier waits for your trigger, then creates a Facebook page post automatically. Take a moment to review your selections and ensure they match your publishing strategy. In the next steps, you'll map the content fields and test the post, but with the foundation in place, you're well on your way to uploading content on Autopilot.